This video will walk you through how to report your internship experience using Handshake. Start by logging into Handshake using your UVM NetID login, which will take you to your personalized welcome page. Select Career Center in the top right-hand corner of the screen and then select Experiences from the drop-down menu. If you haven't previously reported an internship experience through Handshake, this first page will be empty. Once you have experiences reported, they will show up here. Select Request an Experience in the top right-hand corner. Under Experience Type, select Grossman School of Business Internship Reporting. Under Term, enter the term you are reporting the internship during, not the term you held the internship in. So for right now, that would be fall 2018. Complete the remaining information, including employer and job details, as fully as possible. Then please provide us information regarding your concentration, theme, was this internship the result of a GSB or UVM related event? And please let us know if you would be interested in having your internship experience featured in marketing and promotional content for the business school. Once you've completed all of this information, simply select Request an Experience and you're all done. If you've had multiple internships in the past year, please complete the process for each one. Thank you for taking the time to report your internship information. We appreciate you helping us gather this important data.